No, this is a competition of how fast you can eat it.
Oh my gosh! It's dripping, Jeremy!
All 30 puked once.
What we do at house church.
We're making her cry.
Jason!
This is letting me at its best.
No, Robin! I think Robin.
is quickly pulling ahead.
Rob's getting it done. I know, really.
Jeremy's
You want to join that?
Hate watermelon.
I don't like it either.
Jeremy's
Jason's coming back. Yep, that's. Is that DQ?
Ah, that's like
Come on, Dad!
She's like, what are those people doing?
It's not water.
There's no point in talking, people. What does the winner get? A lot of watermelon?
They get air! They get air!
Woo! Jeremy's coming along. I don't do throw up either. Ugh.
I don't know, Jeremy.
Jeremy's coming along. Between Jason's getting it too there.
I don't know. Most is on the floor.
Come on, Dad! Eat it! Keep it near your mouth!
Here, Jeremy. Most of his is on the floor.
You guys say you got.
After you eat the rind? No, I'm joking.
I think Rob doing what probably the best. I think it's between you and
Ooh.
Alright. I think you're down to the right now. I think you guys both are, but I'm looking at what's on the floor here.
That's right. That was
Now they're going to argue.
nothing on the
Oh,
floor.
that's pretty
Roger has nothing on the floor.
No, it's Jay. It's like that.
Rob.
I say Rob.
I say Rob.
Roger doesn't have nothing on the ground either.
He's so gone.
Woo!
Now it's pride.